So I've got my fourth axis assembled and wired up, and you can see all the parts I made for it. Made the plate here, made this pulley, made the pulley in here, standoffs, and the shaft that goes into the chuck or the spindle. Got a bearing in the back there that I need to protect somehow from chips or it's going to get ugly. But I got it hooked up. I don't have it set up correctly because I'm not real sure how to do it yet. I got to do some research on that and figure it out. But I do have movement. So here's what I got. And that was just a short program that I typed up just to see if I had some movement. And I do have movement on my A axis. So that's my latest update. Stay tuned for more.